A lot has changed in the world of Goldbach. So if you want to catch up quickly, I'm going to bring you fully up to speed. So last week, Hoppy released his own official Goldbach indicator, and it is a complete evolution of what you understand by Goldbach. But don't worry, I'm going to bring you fully up to speed. The Goldbach Trifecta is based off of his own official indicator. If you want access to the indicator, there's a link in the description to this video. It will then give you lifetime access to his brand new Discord. I don't know how long he's going to let new people join. I've seen an influx of people joining. I was the first to join, and I know he doesn't like keeping these groups too big. So get in while you can. I'm going to give you a complete overview of the Goldbach indicator now. So this is the indicator. Let me kill it and just start from the beginning. So we clear all the drawings, kill the indicator. Now, the indicator is called the Goldbach PO3 Trifecta Indicator. You won't be able to find this until you purchase the indicator. Hoppy will then give you access. It's a private indicator. When you get it out the box, so let me just reset everything to defaults. Okay, the lines can be confusing, okay? So I'm going to break it down for you and help you to understand exactly what's going on. So this is NASDAQ on the 15-minute time frame. What I'm first going to do is ensure that we're on the 729, as this range works quite well. Let's change the number of ranges to 0, and this will give you more insight into exactly what's going on. So you'll see that when you set the number of ranges to 0, you just have one Goldbach dealing range, right? If you increase it, then it automatically stacks dealing ranges for you. So I'm going to set it to 0 just for the purpose of this video to demonstrate exactly what's going on. This is a lot more manageable as you're learning. Let's enable the text labels so you understand what the partitions are. Now, these partitions have different names. We add the box labels also. We have the OTE, and that's good enough for now, just to get you started. So we have new levels. Now, I apologize in advance. This font size is very small on my screen. I have a super high resolution. I have some massive screens. So I will try to remember to read these out in case you can't see them. So what do we have here? We have a gray line and a gray line at the top. Actually, let me change this to white so you can actually see it. There we go. So these are your power of 3 dealing ranges. Okay, we have the low and we have the high, but you have these new levels. Okay, you have the liquidity level, the order flow gate level, the rebalance zone, you have the premium order flow gate, the premium liquidity, and then the high. Now, what are the purposes of these gates? The liquidity levels are to engineer or take liquidity. Now, the order flow gates are your short, long order flow gate zones. And I'll explain what these are, but the hint is it is the OTE of the dealing range. So new terminology, right? You have your liquidity zones, your order flow gates, your rebalance points, and you have the high and the low. So just to translate this back into how I have historically taught Goldbach based off of the first iterations of the book, I'm going to use the AMD PO3 Goldbach levels indicator. So now you'll start to translate in your own head the mapping between the old partitions and the new partitions. So using that indicator, I'm going to set the PO3 number to 729, which matches the trifecta, and you can start seeing how things overlap. So the low of the dealing range is here. In the new version of Goldbach, the latest version, we don't necessarily label the rejection block zone. We have a liquidity zone, which is the order block. The fair value gap is not explicitly named. We have the order flow gate, which is in between the old liquidity void and the breaker level. So these are non-GB levels in the middle. We have the rebalance zone, which is equilibrium. We have the premium order flow gate, the premium liquidity, and then the high. This should aid in mapping the old Goldbach zones to the new zones. Now, what's critical to understand is the new zones are more based off of the non-Goldbach GB levels. Now, this isn't a complete primer on Goldbach. If you want to understand all the ins and outs of Goldbach, I have over 100 videos on Goldbach on my channel. You can start with the one which I've linked in the top right-hand corner now. So how do you use this? So let's start with the low. So within the low of the dealing range, you are looking for typically sweeps of liquidity into the low. Okay, this allows institutions to get into trades, right? There's loads of stop losses here. If they want to go long, they need to capture all these stop losses to go long and buy. The liquidity zone is your order block level. Okay, this is the initiation of the move. So after the sweep, this is where institutions will be building the majority of their positions. What is the order flow gate? Okay, let's map this out for you. So this is the order flow gate level. The order flow gate level is the OTE. 0, 1. It's between the 618 and the 786, the middle of the 705. This is roughly your OTE. Your rebalance is your equilibrium. So what do institutions do? They buy in a discount, they sell in a premium. Premium starts at equilibrium. The trifecta model shows you that equilibrium isn't so much exactly 0.5, it's a zone. And within that equilibrium rebalance zone is the first point we could have reversals. So you probably want to get out of your trade or take your partials there. So we have a sweep of liquidity. We've created the order block. We've had a market structure break. If you're an order block trader, you can enter there. You can have your stop at the low, and you can take it off in the rebalance level. Okay, this should start giving you an idea of how you can map the old Goldbach terminology into the new terminology, and specifically where the non-GB levels are and how they play into the new way of using the trifecta trading model. Once you join the Discord, you will have access to the indicator. Hoppy is working on a book which will cover the Goldbach Trifecta system in its entirety. I wanted to keep this video short, so don't overwhelm you, but if you have any questions around the indicator, drop them in the comments below. And if you want a more in-depth guide of this video, just let me know. And if there's enough people, I will go into a lot more detail into this indicator. If you would like me to teach you exactly how I trade my golden bullet model, which I use for index futures, metals, energies, Forex, and crypto, there's a link to my mentorship below.